So guys, welcome to part 2. We've been running for a little while. We were in the same spot.
If you want to have our 2 parts, he accidentally
Uh,
hit the button
Yeah,
to end it.
yeah.
So
So
we're gonna do 2 parts.
there's gonna be 2, maybe 3 if I keep this up. So if I see her, I'll give you the phone.
Last time it was easier and quicker. Maybe she was even working out.
We just made a quick go around to see if she was anywhere in the neighborhood, but nah. Let's walk for a couple seconds.
I need to gain some energy.
I think I stepped in dog shit. Nah, my shoes are just really slippery.
I always think that too.
Yeah, like whenever your shoes are slippery, I always feel like I stepped in dog shit. Like, there's a bit of a glare, guys. Don't know. So when we pass that car, maybe not that white one, the other one, we're probably gonna start running.
I got cramps. Wait, hold on. We gotta check on the yard, maybe.
Yeah, we're just gonna walk to the yard. If not, we're gonna have to keep circling the neighborhood, maybe even go to the backside. Like, guys, don't you ever hate it how, like, some people, when they're trying to get some, they run like this with the camera down? I don't do that. I'm not that kind of guy. I freaking hate that when that happens. It's just so annoying. Comment down below if you think it's annoying, because I just think it's so stupid. Like, I just hate it when it happens. But I don't do that, guys. I'm not that kind of guy. I treat well for you guys, and I don't think she's here. They got a nice little pond here. Yeah, and they got an alligator, and they got a squirrel, and they got a, well, that's this yard. We're not in my yard right now, but thankfully, I know these guys, so let's go back. We're gonna have to keep circling the neighborhood.
I'm gonna have to go to some different areas.
I know.
The dog's not just gonna be in this one area. Let's head up here, because Zoe ran her first instinct when we were catching her in the first part. She ran up this way.
Yeah. All right, guys. This is the end of part 2, and we're gonna make a part 3 definitely right now, right here. Bye, guys. Goober out.